Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate text with guardrails in Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is just open up a new chat, and then I'll show you first how to do safety settings, and after that I'll show you system instructions. So for safety settings, what you do is here on the right hand panel, you scroll down until you see safety settings. Click here on edit, and here what we will do, we can go ahead and use these sliders to adjust the safety settings, okay? And these guardrails, what it does, it helps filter out generated content that falls into harmful categories like harassment, hate, sexually explicit, dangerous content. So you go ahead and adjust the slider according to your preferences, okay? And then we can go ahead and just close this. And now I'll show you how to use system instructions. This is for behavior control. So if you want guardrails that are related to quality, style, or specific rules of the translation, you come here, right hand panel, again, scroll down until you see this section right here that says system instructions. Okay, click on that. And what I want you to do is set some guidelines. So first I have put a role for them. I've defined a specific role. So you are an expert bilingual travel consultant, okay, for a luxury vacation agency. And I'm defining the role. So it's to translate promotional materials and itinerary descriptions from English to standard Latin American Spanish. And now I have critical guardrails as well. For example, the formatting, the style, the tone. I'm asking it to output only the translated text. Sometimes what it does, it gives you these introductory comments, right? Things like that. And I have terminology lock as well. So there are some phrases that are usually used in our promotional materials that I don't want to be translated differently, right? I want these specific words. So these are locks I have set up. And then for proper nouns, basically names of specific places, okay? They should appear as they are in the source text. Places should remain the same name. And here finally we have tone and style, okay? The different kind of tone we want to achieve for what kind of clients. There we go. And now I'll go ahead and give a simple name. So English to Spanish. We'll close this, and then I'll go ahead and have some text to translate. So once you have the system instructions, you don't need to explain it what to do exactly. Just put in the text and then hit run. It will go ahead and do the translation for us. Let's see what it actually achieves. There you go. That looks perfect. It has maintained the names and these phrases as well, exactly as we asked it to. And that is how to translate text with guardrails in Google AI Studio.